am eating breakfast. She is reading a book. They are playing soccer. I am not eating breakfast. She is not reading a book. They are not playing soccer. Are you eating breakfast? Is she reading a book? Are they playing soccer? He is talking on the phone right now. I am writing a letter at the moment. I am studying for my exams these days. They are working on a new project this month. I am meeting my friends tomorrow. We are traveling to Paris next week. She is always talking on the phone during dinner. He is always forgetting his keys.